Hello everyone, welcome to my top 5 series which I do on every Wednesday, and today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 nude lipsticks. Isn't it exciting? I absolutely love lipsticks, and especially nude lipsticks, because you can just wear them, whether it's with makeup, without makeup, heavy makeup. These lipsticks are, the go-to lipsticks which everyone should have in their vanity. So today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 lipsticks, nude lipsticks that I usually wear. For your reference, I'm NC30 on MAC. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Now before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it immediately. Let's get started. Now the first lipstick on my list is Spiced Latte by Faces Canada. This particular lipstick, guys, the color is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful and it suits my skin color so much, and I can just wear it with, when I'm like doing heavy eyes, or even when I'm not wearing any makeup. It actually doesn't look so bad without makeup as well. So this particular lipstick is kiss proof, it is waterproof, and it stays for about 4 to 5 hours, but it does need reapplication. It's not that it'll stay the entire day, but for the color it's completely worth it. I'll just show you a quick swatch of this lipstick. I'm just going to apply this lipstick on my lips as well. It's basically more like a brownish peach nude. That's where I would classify this particular lipstick as. And for anyone around my skin tone, I think this lipstick is going to be your number one go-to lipstick in the nude lipstick category for sure. Now the next lipstick on my list is Let It Snooze by Nykaa. Now this particular lipstick also has a beautiful color. This is more like a creamy kind of a lipstick. It isn't really waterproof. I mean, it is water resistant, but it is not waterproof. Like, it may go off with water as well. But I think this is super comfortable to wear, and if you can keep, if you have the opportunity to do reapplication within the day, I feel this particular lipstick is very, very good. It's super comfortable on the lips. I mean, if you know what I mean. And also I feel that this particular lipstick is quite affordable, so I think definitely worth trying. I'll just quickly show you the swatch of this lipstick. I'm just going to be applying it. Guys, can you see how pretty this color looks? It's sort of a brownish brick color, I feel, and it does have a hint of peach to it. So, actually these kind of nudes are like my favorite, the ones which are like brownish peach kind of nudes. I think it looks stunning on anyone between NC25 to NC35. I think, these kind of lipsticks suit the medium skin tone the best. And yes, so I completely love this lipstick, and I keep reapplying it, I don't know, I keep using it again and again and again. So yes guys, do tell me, how do you think this lipstick looks in me? Now the third lipstick on my list is, I think, it's gonna be there on so many girls' lists. This particular lipstick is Meher by MAC, one of the most famous lipsticks by MAC. It's a pink nude kind of a color, and I think this color is my number one favorite when I'm especially doing a very heavy eye. I think this looks very, very, very stunning. Let me quickly show you the swatch. I'm just going to be applying it. This is like a muted pink kind of a color, and I think with a little bit hint of purple. I think this particular color looks different on different people, but on me, I think this color looks good. At least I like it on myself. And this color, guys, you will not regret it. I mean, MAC does make expensive lipstick, but as you can see, this particular packaging is the mini MAC packaging. And I would advise that, when you're going for an expensive brand like MAC or Bobbi Brown or anything, you can actually go for that mini version, so that you can at least first try and check out, if the color is suiting you well, and then maybe once you feel like, okay, you always need to have it, it's your cult lipstick, then in that case you can go ahead and buy the full size. I usually do it, so can you. So I think this particular lipstick, guys, completely worth it. This stays, whole day, like actually can stay for around 14 to 15 hours. So especially when you're going for a meeting, or if it's like a work day, then in that case you can definitely go for this lipstick, because you can just put it on and then forget about it. This is that kind of a lipstick. It is a little drying on the lips, so I would advise you to go ahead with the lip balm before you apply this lipstick. And it is kiss proof, it is waterproof, it is like whatever proof. It is just very good and it'll stay the whole day. You won't regret buying this one. Now the next one on my list is Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. This is like the latest favorite of mine. You know, I have started using this lipstick so many times, guys, I cannot even tell you. Again, this lipstick is super long lasting and you're not gonna regret buying this one. It is expensive, definitely expensive, but it's worth it. Especially the color, again, on the medium skin tone, it looks absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna be showing you the swatch in a minute. So this particular nude color is actually more on the brown side. It technically is not like completely nude on my skin tone. Like what happens is I usually wear it and then it becomes a little bit darker once it settles in. I'll just wear the lipstick and you'll understand what I'm saying. Now since this is a liquid lipstick, you need to, you know, give it some time to settle in on your lips before the actual color comes out. And I think with liquid lipsticks, like mostly they are long lasting. So, you know, that is something that you don't have to worry about. This is a completely matte lipstick. It turns completely matte. By the way, even the matte one was a completely matte lipstick. Now, as you can see, the lipstick is completely dried off and, you know, the color has come out well. This is like more on the browner side, I would say. But still, it's not like something that, you know, is very like flashy. And that's what I think the concept of nude is. Like, you know, it should look very subtle on your skin tone. So I think this particular color has been my recent favorite, guys. And if you are looking for a lipstick that is super comfortable on the lips and that you do not need to retouch up at all during the day, you can eat, you can, you know, take like as many number of drinks that you want and this lipstick is gonna stay. You need a makeup remover to remove this lipstick. I promise you. So it's a good investment. Go for it in case you don't want to worry about your lipstick coming off during the day. Now the final lipstick on the top nude lipstick category is Bombay by Nykaa. I think this particular liquid lipstick is not, it's not that it's the last in my category that, you know, I don't like it. By the way, I like all these lipsticks equally. But I think this particular lipstick is something that I've been using from 2 years and the way it complements my skin tone, I don't think any other lipstick can, you know, really match up to this level. So nothing's been able to replace this lipstick. This particular liquid lipstick stays on your lips for around 4 to 5 hours, after which you do need reapplication. There can be one problem that, you know, you may need to kind of like remove it completely and then reapply it. That works better. Like I don't think layering works very well with this particular lipstick. But for the price and for the color, I think it does a brilliant job. This is also waterproof. It is kiss proof. For the color itself, I think this is a good investment. I'll just show you the swatch on my hand. So this particular lipstick is more on the, you know, more on the peachy side. Let me just apply it and yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I really like the applicator of this particular lipstick and it's super comfortable to use. Let's just give it a minute to, you know, settle in. Since I think with most liquid lipsticks, this is the problem. Like once you apply, you gotta wait for a minute. You have to have thoda patience and then it will settle in. Don't worry. You know, sometimes girls are like, they wear this lipstick like, hey, this color is not looking good on me. No, just wait for a minute, even in stores. Wait for it to show its true color and then decide if you want to go for it or not. This will turn completely matte. So as you can see, this lipstick is now settled in and, you know, it's showing the right color. There's more on the peach side with a very subtle hint of brown and pink. So I think this particular lipstick is perfect for work wear, for college wear, and, you know, I think all the nude lipsticks are perfect for that purpose. So yes, guys, I mean, this was my top 5 nude lipsticks. I hope you loved, you know, these colors. And if you are someone around my skin tone, I promise you, any of these lipsticks will work well on you. The color is going to be superb. But yes, you can choose according to your preference. If you want to go for a matte or a creamy lipstick, or if you want to go for a bullet lipstick or a liquid lipstick, that's completely on you. But yes, these colors are definitely going to work well. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, guys. This means a lot to me and I'll keep putting up these top 5 series video. Do tell me what you think about this particular series and what other top 5 would you want to see from my end. Till then, do take very good care of yourself and see you until next time. Bye.